Hey you guys, so it's me, it's Garlinda Price. I'm the life insurance broker and owner of Fusion Insurance Group. I'm so excited to talk to you all today. And this is going to be a really brief, short video. I want to talk to you about not just surviving in your insurance business, but thriving. And I want to say that there are two things that determine that. One is mindset, right? So maybe you've been in the industry for a while. Maybe you're just getting started in the insurance industry, right? I'm fairly new in insurance, but I'm having some really great success, in my opinion, in just getting started. Last year, we were able to build a team of about 41 brokers, helped about 171 families. This year is my first full 2 months here over at Family First Life, and we're building Fusion Insurance Group over here. So I wasn't able to bring those people over. So now we're in the process of rebuilding, and I love it. I wish I could have brought my team with me, but you know, when you leave somewhere, you can't just be taking people with you, right? They frown upon stuff like that, right? So super excited that over here we were able to help families. We were able to recruit people that want to work from home part-time. So I have met and I'm meeting during my interviewing process as we're recruiting brokers across the country, a lot of people that are loyal to companies that say, well, I would never leave, but I'm not making the money I need to make. Now, I really want you to be thinking about why now is a really great time to really revamp, really look at what's your why? Like, why did you even get involved in insurance to begin with? Why did you decide, you know, did you just throw a dart at the map like Coming to America like Eddie Murphy did when he said, I'm going to go to America, right? Did you just throw a dart at the map and say, I'm just going to become a life insurance agent, right? I remember 2 weeks before I even was enrolled in the life insurance class, I just told a girlfriend of mine I would never sell life insurance again. Like, who's doing that, right? God laughs at our kooky little plans, right? Because he always has the final say so. But why did you get started in life insurance? Didn't you do it to make money, right? And of course we all do it. Of course, a big part of wanting to do it is service. Maybe you've lost a loved one. Maybe that was what led you into the business. Maybe you heard you could make good money. Maybe you heard you could work from home. Maybe you just said, I just want to make some money part-time, which you deserve to do that, right? So I really want you to think about like why you got into insurance and what's keeping you here, what's keeping you keeping the license, right? Because you got to pay annually to renew the license, right? But what brought you here? And so I want you to think about like what amount of money would take the edge off, would take the pressure off for you and your family. What does that number look like? Is it $500 a month? Is it $500 a week, right? Is it $1,000 a month? Is it $1,000 a week? Is it $5,000, $10,000? What does that monthly number look like for you? What number would you be able to use and let go of that second job, right? What is the amount? Maybe it's not even about the money. Maybe it's about the time. Maybe you make great money, but you don't have any time. That's where I found, right? We get to live again, right? We live here on earth and then we live in glory with the Lord, you know, once we go home. And so He wants us to enjoy the fruits of our labor while we're on work. It shouldn't just be laborious. Now, of course, it says in 2 Thessalonians, if a man won't work, he won't eat, right? You gotta work, right? And so, but it doesn't have to be work that you hate, right? Or maybe you love your job, but you just feel led to do something different. You just led to a life of service, and service is that part of offering, you know, living benefits. It doesn't just have to be death insurance. A lot of people don't like to talk about life insurance because they're like, oh, just talking about dying. No, they have living benefits, right? We can help people that outlive their, you know, so people don't outlive their money. We can help people so that if they get injured or hurt at work or something happens where they get an illness that's unexpected, they can have money coming from their own policy while they're still alive. They don't have to worry about what they're going to do. They can have time to rest, recuperate, and to recover. It's not just death insurance. So I really want you to schedule a time to let's talk. Let's talk about, you know, selling insurance part-time, what that could look like for you, whether that's an extra $500 a month, a week, a day, right? Insurance is that business where if you say, I need money today, you could write a policy today and you could get paid tomorrow or the next day. You literally can get paid every week. Like I get residuals every week from business I wrote last year. It's just the craziest thing to me. And so I want to be able to bless you with that opportunity, and at least shouldn't you just hear about it, right? You don't have to make a decision. I definitely think that you owe it to yourself and your family to at least listen, right? So I'm Garlinda Price. I want you to give me a call at 910-494-7798, and my Calendly link so you can schedule time on my calendar is also in the description box. So I look forward to talking to you guys, and let's see where the journey takes us. God bless you.